following some really good interest over the Sanctuary Cove Boat Show, we're having a look at the SEA.AI camera. This is both a thermal and a daytime image camera that's got built-in software for object detection and collision avoidance and all of the benefits from that. The camera itself is fairly small in its physical form and has got all of the software and everything built into the camera itself. There's no external boxes or hardware to install below the deck. In the same form factor, this camera's got 3 or 4 models and all are based on resolution. This particular one is a 640. There is a 1280 above that, and then there are more economical priced options as well. We've got some bracketry on the back for mounting onto the mast, including our electrical connections for both power and the video image. But as I say, all of the software is all built into the camera itself. It's compatible with all different brand of MFDs. This is the installation that we've got on a customer's boat. It has a Garmin suite in it, and over the coming week we'll get this on board. We're on our customer's vessel this morning, completing the install of the SEA.AI camera. As you can see, we've got the camera physically installed, comes with all the bracketry required, including the cabling as well. We've done some nice heat shrink over the cable joins so that they're well protected from the environment. We've got a really good mounting surface here on the boat already. It's nice and high, it's got an uninterrupted view of the horizon out in front of us, which should give us a really good camera angle to view from the MFD. On this particular boat, we already had a camera on this top tier. We had one of these iris cameras that was already mounted here. For the purpose of what we're doing and to make sure that our installation doesn't affect the camera that was already here, we've actually removed the camera and had a 3D printed mount manufactured at the perfect height to give us some clearance above the SEA.AI camera. So we'll reassemble all of this so that it looks OEM and as it came out of the factory, along with our SEA.AI camera, and being again a black camera, it ties in well with all of the other accessories on the boat. And we will, following the physical installation, we'll be able to go down to the helm and do our configuration.